Welcome back to our special episodes of Talk, Walk, and Tell. In this last lesson, we're going to focus on... Hey, Richie. How's junior high? Oh, my. Well, what's going on? Wow, that sounds serious. So, Richie, did you use talk? You called them by name? You told them what they were doing that bothered you? And then you asked for a solution. Oh, well, did you walk confidently away toward a safe spot? I see. Did you report it to a teacher? Well, I wish you would have listened to me a little better too, Richie. We can't say the strategy doesn't work if we don't at least do all three parts. Talk, walk, and tell is a plan. While it has three parts, it's just one strategy. When you skip one of the parts, it's like trying to ride a bike without pedals or a handlebar. The plan, talk, walk, and tell, works very well with the usual suspects, even though each behavior is different. You will still use the three steps, but it depends on the person bothering you on how you handle it. For everyday problems, you can use talk by calling their name, telling them what they are doing that is bothersome to you, and asking for a solution. Sometimes you may need to use talk a few times. Remember, these individuals are not trying to be mean to you, so don't be mean or rude to them. If the everyday problem doesn't stop, then it's okay for you to walk away and find a safe and/or quiet place to finish what you were doing. It's also okay for you to try to ignore them. If it's too annoying, report it to the teacher and let them know you tried TWT. In any case, if a person becomes angry or says something that shows meanness, excuse yourself, confidently walk away, and follow the plan. Badgers are annoying, but usually they want to be your friend. When you talk to them, you may say something like, "Badger, if you want to be my friend, you need to stop picking your nose." Remember, if it's too much to try and help the badger with their social skills, use TWT. Walk away and tell the teacher if needed. Bigfoots and bucks are rough and even dangerous, but normally they're not trying to be mean. Talk to them and let them know what's going on. They cannot read your mind, and they're probably not paying close enough attention in any case. Bigfoot's actions are avoidable accidents, while bucks think everyone likes to play rough. Let them know how you feel. Bullies are looking for an easy target and someone to pick on. Use TWT just like we've been practicing, and you will let them know that you are a confident kid ready to report them if needed. Bingo and Blingo are not trying to be mean to you, but they will do mean and rough things when they go dingo. They will cry, yell, throw things, and act in a very unsafe manner. You should not use TWT when they are acting out. Listen to your teacher and follow their instructions. You may need to evacuate the room. In my opinion, this last behavior is the most serious. The bear mentality is simple. They think everyone is trying to get them. Now, they may always be a little rude or grumpy, but when they think you are trying to disrespect them or hurt them, they will want to fight. Look at them and say, "My bad, oops, sorry." Let them know you are leaving. See you later. Bye. Have a good day. Walk away and look for a teacher, just in case they decide to follow you. If you do not acknowledge that you bumped into them or disturbed them, they will think that you meant to do it, or that you are trying very hard to disrespect them. So talk, walk, and tell can be adjusted for each behavior. It will require you to pay attention and think.